Today we are going to take lesson number 3, move around. We are going to learn with the help of keyboard how can we move our mouse or how can we move our cursor between the words, because sometime when we write maybe we forget something and we do some mistakes, so we can move it left, right, up and down anywhere we want. So we'll use how to use the arrow key, how to move around the with the arrow keys and the mouse. So first thing, I hope all of you remember last time we took this. What is it called? This is keyboard. Can you guys repeat it with me? Keyboard, keyboard, keyboard. Last time we take the names of the keys, so let's repeat one time. We can make a short revision about the keys of our keyboard, and we'll see that how many of you still remember it and how many of you forget it. So this key is called backspace. With the help of backspace, what can you do? You can erase backspace. This is your backspace. With the help of backspace, you can erase it. Another key, that the biggest key in our keyboard, it is enter key. Enter key. With the help of enter key, you move to the new line. So one more time, backspace, enter key. Now the long button, long key, we call it space bar. What is it? Can you guys repeat it with me? Space bar. Space bar. Space bar helps you to put the space between two names. For example, we have a student named Yezen Bilal. So we want to keep space between Yezen, then space, and then Bilal, right? So first what we do, we write the name Yezen, then we press the space bar, and then we write Bilal. Enter if we want to go to the new line. If we want to go to the new line, we use enter key. But if we want to put the space, we use the space bar. Today we are going to learn about the keys, the 4 keys. We call them the arrow key. The arrow key. They are here. Here are 4 arrow keys that help you to move your cursor up. This one is up, this is down, this is your right, and that one is your left key. So these 4 keys help you to move your cursor. Can you point the arrow key in your keyboard? Can you point it? Can you put your finger on the arrow key? First, the up key. Put your finger on up key, down, right, left, up, down, right, left. If we want to delete something, if we want to delete some word, or we want to delete only one letter, we can delete with the help of backspace and with the help of delete key. There is a delete key also on our keyboard. You can see it over the cursor arrow keys. Above the arrow key, you will find the last one. It is a delete key. Can you all see where is the delete key? And put the finger and show me where is delete key. Put the finger on delete key. Good job. So now let's go to our work again. I want everyone to go and open Notepad. How we open Notepad, if you guys remember, start button or the search bar, right here, Notepad, or here you will find it in a letter N, Notepad, and open Notepad. So if we don't look, here is the letter N, but we don't find it. So the easy thing, just simple, come here and write. In a search bar, write Notepad and open it. As you guys can see, here is the Notepad. I just click it and I'm going to open it now. So let's change the size. Maximize. By clicking the square, we maximize it. And here I want now all of you to write on your notepad, good morning, and then the next line, everybody. Okay, so let's start. Good morning. Then press the enter key, go to the new line and write everybody. Now, what if I want to write something after everybody on a word, in a word everybody after the letter B? I will use my arrow key. This is my mouse is here. You guys can see I'm not going to move the mouse, but I can move my cursor with the help of arrow key. If you want to go to the right side, I click the right key, left side left key, up key for upside and down key for downside. I want everyone you to, by moving your key, write good morning grade 1. Move your cursor until after the G, then press space and write grade, then space again and 1. Good morning grade 1. So this is the way to write with the help to move the cursor with the help of your arrow key. What if I want to delete number 1? I don't want 1, I want grade 2. So I will press delete key. So the space automatically delete. Then I press delete key and the next letter is automatically will going to delete with the help of delete key. So let's fix again. Press enter and write E to everybody and move your mouse to the last. And now press delete key. So we need to move the cursor before if we want to delete. Now my cursor is blinking before Y, right? So when I press the delete, so after the blinking, after the cursor, you can see they delete it for you. But if I press the backspace, the letter before the cursor automatically will be deleted. So good morning, grade 1, everybody. Okay, I hope all of you understand how we do it. Now I want everyone open it and practice.